They say the darkest hour is just before dawn. I don't know. It's certainly damn windy. And the old jalopy there with nobody to take. Well, it is before dawn and it is extremely windy, so I've had to attach my dead cat to the iPhone to avoid the distortion from the wind. I like this little spinney. As the sun comes up, well, the sun comes up. There definitely isn't any sun to see at the moment. It's a bit muddy here, but just seen one of my friends that I bump into when I'm out here, and she does outside maintenance. But on wet days, she does brass polishing indoors. I don't think I'm going to go any further up here unless I want to get absolutely soaked. The wind is coming from the southwest, the familiar southwest. Apparently, when we had all those trees down a week or so ago, that was down to the wrong sort of wind. We had north wind then, which actually is much colder. As anybody in the northern hemisphere knows. And these trees are now almost naked, as are the others over here. So in between the gusts, we see a little bit of sun. At about 8:10 in the morning. Just demonstrating the wind without the dead cat. Actually, it's not gusting much at the moment, but you can probably hear it. Just put the dead cat back on, otherwise you won't hear a word I'm saying. So this is the little spinney where they've cut down masses of ash trees, and it's far more open than it was. And you can see, I mean, this was a narrow path 6 months ago. Now it's like a highway. But dust to dust, ashes to ashes, if you pardon the pun. Give it a few years and things will start growing again, I'm sure. You see the squirrel. Just seen a squirrel run across. He doesn't have very much cover at the moment. This was a little jump for the horses, covering the path. It's now being just pushed to one side. Not wishing to be too maudlin about it though, it is still beautiful. pheasant out there in the field, I see. And the old man's beard is growing. Very Christmassy.